My video comparing the nutrients in juice versus the whole food that it's derived from caused some interesting discussion in the comments section, including some commenters who were really adamant that juice cannot possibly be healthy because of all the sugar that it contains. And so I want to engage in this good faith conversation. I do believe that these commenters were engaging in good faith conversation, so please don't send any meanness their way. I really believe this was genuine. But I think it's really worthwhile going through a couple of these comments. I'm going to do them as separate videos over the next couple of days and address some of the pervasive myths demonizing juice in diet culture. Just funny because I'm going to bat for juice. Who would have? I don't like juice. I don't personally drink juice. But here I am, going to bat for juice. Okay, so for this video, let's talk about moderation. So just because something is harmful to our health in large quantities does not mean that it's harmful to our health in any quantity. And in fact, biology is full of U-shaped dose-response curves, which means too little of something is harmful and too much of something is harmful. And there's this happy medium in the middle, this Goldilocks zone where it's amazing for us. Some really simple examples. If you don't have enough vitamin A, you get night blindness. If you have way too much vitamin A, you get vitamin A toxicity. But vitamin A is an essential nutrient that we need. Fruit and fruit juice are two great examples of foods in which moderate consumption benefits our health way more than consuming none of these foods, but that consumption getting too high can start to negatively impact our health. So they're both foods that have a U-shaped dose response curve where moderate intake is extremely beneficial. Fruit, I've already done a video on, but here's the graph from that video. Let me know if you want to be tagged in the previous video if you can't find it, if you want to dig deeper into this. But for fruit, the happy medium intake range is something like 300 grams daily. That's 2 to 3 servings per day. And for fruit juice, that happy medium range is something like 150 milliliters, about 5 fluid ounces per day. Funnily enough, if you were to juice 3 oranges, you would get about 5 fluid ounces. So these are actually kind of equivalent to compare, and they both reduce all-cause mortality risk by about 10%. So very comparable. This is why there are so many different nutrition guidelines that include 100% fruit juice, unsweetened fruit juice, as a fruit serving, because the benefits of moderate consumption are very equivalent. So this is scientific evidence showing that fruit juice, at least in moderation, absolutely can benefit our health.